how to go from this to this. And don't be confused. How to pick loops or stems from other songs and make it yours, then place it into your personal project. Do you want to learn it? Open your system. Hello everyone, my name is Promise Base. Welcome again to my tutorial. Today, I want to teach you something very important. How to take loop, samples, or stems from any existing song and make it yours, okay? Now, this is just for tutorial purposes only. If you are paid to do a job, please create your own original samples. So without wasting time, pick up your system and let's go. Okay, now there's a sample right here that I love by Todd Dulaney. Okay, I'll just play it a bit because of copyright. You can hear the loop underneath. So what do? I come over here and click and download that particular song, the entire stuff. Okay, wait for it. All right, we are done. It's downloaded. So this is it, but it's in a video format. So I'm going to convert it into an audio format. So I'll make it MP3. Okay, this downloaded. The next thing you're going to do is go over to your browser and type bandlab.com, or you can also use other separation softwares. All right, now I'm going to come here and import a new song. Okay, I'll import a new song. I'll go over to where it was downloaded. Okay, this is the song Victory Belongs to Jesus by Todd Dulaney. I'll click it. So these are the free options. You have vocal and others. That's just 2 tracks. Then you also have 4 options. You have vocal, you have drums, you have bass, and others. Okay, you can get the pro version. Then you have 5 with strings. You cannot specify them. You have 5 tracks with guitar and so on and so forth. So I'll go with the free version, then split. Then of course you wait for it to analyze the audio and separate it. All right, it is done. The beauty of this software is it's going to analyze both the tempo and the key and other components for me. I have 4 tracks here. Let's test them one after the other. Just listen. This is the drum. This is the bass. And that is others. It means other components that are attached like synths and the rest. We fall under that category. Then the loop will fall under the drum category. So we're going to download just the drum because that is exactly what we need. I'll close this. I'll close this, and leave just the drums. Be patient and wait. Okay, it is up. I'll take it to my folder. Click save. Okay, now we have the audio. We'll drag it into FL Studio. Go back and look for the tempo. All right, we'll set the tempo to 140. Just follow me closely. 140. Then put on our metronome. You can see that it is lagging a bit. It is not yet synchronized with the tempo. So I will hold shift and alternate, then move my mouse a bit. Then one rule to watch out for is this. Number 1, make sure the drum or the loop is pronounced in the song. Let it be very, very pronounced in the song. So we'll skip to the part where we need it. Okay, listen. I think from this part is fine. Okay, now don't take too much of the part to avoid copyright, okay? To avoid copyright. You can actually use it without copyright because there's a portion or there's a proportion that you have to use to avoid copyright. So, very good. All right, the ultimate question here is, how do I now use this particular loop that was extracted, fix it into my own project without any tempo problem? Or how does it fit into my personal own tempo? Now, this is what you need to do. Come over here, go over to fit to tempo. And of course, you have a 140 BPM, so you're going to choose 75 to 150 BPM. Then let it load, okay? Okay, I think it's done. You can see. Now, the difference between what was there and what is here now is I can decide to adjust the tempo to fit my personal project, and it will move with the tempo. But initially, if I adjusted the tempo, it will not move with the tempo. Okay. Now, if I adjust the tempo to like 150, for example, it's going to fit to my project. So let's try that. Very good. So listen, you can see. All right. So I will increase the volume a bit. Now, this is where you need to do your own adjustments and the rest. I'll put it on track 1. Now, because it was extracted, you have to be careful because the sound is going to distort a bit. It will not get that fuller sound. So you can add some more stems to it to make it yours. Come over here and look for shaker. You can add shaker to it. Now, to your own discretion, you can add 1 or 2 to it to make it yours. All I'm going to do, I'm going to mix it a bit, just make it stronger. Let me off. Good. Very good. It's coming up. Now I will add reverb. Let me add delay to it a bit. Bit of delay to it. I'll come over here and look for. Okay. I'll put it on stereo. Now let's go back to my project and listen to the tempo. Now this is my project. My project here is 75 times 2. That will be 150. So it's a perfect match of what I already have here, 150. The same thing, but my own count is slower. It's divided by 2. So I'm going to times it by 2 here. So I have 75 here. If I times it by 2, that will be 150. So currently, I can go and work with this. So I will go over here, export it as wave. Okay, I will export it as wave. I will save it in the project folder of what I'm working on. Then I will create a track for it and name it loop. Okay, open and create hold. I'm going to rename it hold down loop. Save it and make sure it's exported as wave. Okay. All right. Okay, now it is exported. I'll come over here and import it into my project loops, and this is it. So here is another thing to be aware of. So I'll cut it at the point so that I can duplicate it myself. So let's try it out to see if it will match the project. Let's put on our metronome and listen. So the loop is playing on an upbeat. You know what I mean? So I have to take it to the correct timing, but it is timed. So 2, 3, 4. 3, 4. 3, 4. It's correct now. Okay. So I'll close here down, take it back again. Hey. Perfect. So I've got what I want. So I will duplicate this until the end of the project. I think I'm good here. Okay, let me take it back a bit. All right. Oh my God, is that not a wonderful secret? Come on, I need to be appreciated. I need to be appreciated for that knowledge. So if you love tutorials like this, please feel free to follow me, click the subscribe button and share this video. Put a thumbs up in the comment section to encourage us small YouTube creators, okay, so that YouTube can recognize us. So please put a comment in the comment section. I say thank you for this knowledge. God bless. I will see you again.